I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey.
Alright guys, the CCTV installation is still ongoing. We've made our few changes. Check this out guys. Yeah, this is a roll link. It's got 180 degrees angle. You can see very far ahead on both sides. It's got 2 cameras in one. It's two-way call, two-way talks. Yeah, it's a very good camera. So that's still here. Alright. Making sure that it's all going well. So check this out guys. Studio setup. This is much better than previous. It looks amazing now. Okay. Let's go and check that. One of my favorite cameras is being installed now by the OBED team. Uncle, hey, Ayinisha. Okay, when I you to my son, I beg you, man. This is rolling 8 megapixels camera, 5x zoom. We know to mean Luciano Man City Street. We know, and city like this. Now, if you watch me, I said to you know, and I rain into the wine. And then for blue and far away because the cost rep you pajama. If anything, the higher it goes. That's what I say. And the end is a Yaname David, the other side. My name to Kosoro. Salam, yeah, that's what I mean. Salam passage. Because the other ones, you know, so the end is why? To clean it down, a bay exposed wrong. Okay. Well done. Me the glue be by what I'll do is yeah, in I'll come around and Mr. Cables, you know. And a backbone, one of the highest backbone for my security. Intimate madam, you. Hey, sir. I didn't know because they're flexible. Okay, there is an area. They test your name. So I never heard how I view CCTV. I'm going to say that. Come on. Perfect. Now, very strong wind by any tree. Now, I say she kill. I remember somewhere. There, me go farm, bro. Let's check on Master Obed. He's enjoying himself. I just locked myself, guys. I got a solution. River coat. You mean, yeah, the way no, the way we place it. Where a DVR there. I'll go for back. Oh, guys, building a house is not easy. But you can't give up. You gotta do what you got to do. Hey, chillers. I'm a boy air conditioner. I know. Hey, how can you say that? And I'm not.
Come on. You have to be on
Sir. What's Babylon now? Oh, yeah, you better welcome me with anxiety, stress, and what else? Hello, guys. The security camera installation is still going. Seems we're gonna finish late here. It's been a long day, and still got a few bits to go. And we're gonna add solar cams as well. So yeah, this is what is happening. So now I've got the guys working at the back of my mini building. This is what is happening. I've made some few changes here.
I like to know.
Oh, where you going?
But 400 years.
Yeah, settings not even say.
Cover no more.
Let's go and see what Mr. Obed is doing. Mr. Obed is working on a server rack. It's gonna be a long day. What's up, guys? Kind okay, mine the 1-4. Yeah.
Odu ama manafera. Odu market ama manafera. Ile langara market. Oh, ebe. Isi odu a. Ya to se tam. Let's test down.
This is a proper server. I'm not gonna do. Apa dah sana?